Hey everyone, I'm Lisa, and today I'm going to take you along as I clean our master bedroom, our master bathroom, and closet. If you're new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. That way you'll be updated whenever we post a new video. So I gotta be completely honest with you guys. I enjoy cleaning. I've come to like cleaning more and more, but naturally I am a more messy person. But I absolutely love it when my space is clean. I feel like I can get more done. I can relax. I'm not as anxious. So I love having a clean space that's organized, that's tidy, that's a little more minimal. I wouldn't say I'm a minimalist, but I do like things to be a little bit more minimal. But I'm not always the best at keeping up with a routine. However, I am trying to kind of come up with a new routine for myself, which is keeping my home clean, especially just our space up here. So before I actually like to clean, I like to make sure everything's tidied up, which I already went around and did that. And then I also wanted to share with you guys the products that I'm gonna be using. So for just like my all-purpose cleaning and like dusting and stuff, I'm gonna be using my Mrs. Meyer's Lavender cleaning product, and this is the concentrate. So it comes in this giant bottle. I'm going to be putting some in this bottle right here. This is a Grove Collaborative glass bottle. I love this spray bottle. It works so well. But I just put a little bit in, and then I fill the rest up with water, which is awesome. And then I got a new pair of Grove Collaborative cleaning gloves. I love these gloves. They last so well. These are just some cleaning cloths. I actually bought these at Costco a long time ago. They came in a huge pack and they work great for cleaning. And then I have this 7th generation disinfectant spray that I like to spray on our carpet and like even like our mattress and our chairs and just everything. It just, I feel like it does its job. And then for scent, I actually like to use this Caldrea linen and room spray. This is the Pear and Blossom Agave scent. I haven't tried any of the other scents. I love this one, but I definitely do want to check out more of their other scents. But I like spraying this on, again, like on our linens, like on our bed, and then I like doing it on our curtains just because it makes it smell really nice, and our chairs. Then for the mirrors, I use this 7th generation glass and surface natural cleaner. And then I'll also use this just in the bathroom on our counters in combination with these disinfecting wipes. For the toilet, I'll use kind of like a combination of all 3 of these, and this is the 7th generation toilet bowl natural cleaner back here. For the most part, that's what all I use for our cleaning products. They're more natural and toxic free, and you guys know that I love Grove Collaborative. That's where I always get my cleaning supplies from. And if you guys haven't checked them out yet, I'm gonna have a link below, and when you use my link, you get a bunch of Mrs. Meyer's products for free. It's like over $30 worth of products, and you just have to spend $20. So basically you're just gonna go on there and buy stuff that you would normally need to buy to clean your home, and then you'll get a bunch of Mrs. Meyer's products for free. I think you get their dish soap, hand soap, spray, like the cleaning spray like I'm using, and then I think you get a Grove Collaborative kitchen towel as well. So it's a really great deal, lots of free stuff, and like I said, it's stuff that you would normally buy and use to clean your home anyways. They also have like other household stuff. They have body care, skin care, hair care stuff, so be sure to check that out. But first thing we need to do is get these sheets off the bed and get them in the wash.
Got the feeling from the start, you might be the guy who'll break my heart. Hello, hello. Even though I took a risk, it is worth the while for just one kiss. I know, I just know it. Caught up in the moment, wanna spend every second with you, yeah. All I do is thinking about you. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you. I want to. Stuck in the middle. What can I do? I just wanna be right next to you. Right next to you. Right in the middle. Right in between. Right in between. It is up to you what we will be. You, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. I just wanna be right next to you. Right next to you. Right in between. Right in between. It is up to you what we will be. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. Aching state of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction, oh, I give it to you, give into your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction, oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. On fire. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. Lights keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats aligned, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction, oh, I give it to you, give into your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction, oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. On fire. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh.
So I'm pretty much done with everything now. The only thing is I'm waiting for our quilt to finish drying to put on top of our bed. But I did want to show you guys our throw pillows for our master bedroom are pretty ratty. They're these burlap ones, and they're meant to have holes, but they've gotten so bad because we've had them for so long. So I need to make new pillow covers. So I was wondering if you guys would want to see how I make them, either in a future homemaker vlog, like I could just include like me sewing them in the vlog, or I could do a whole tutorial on how I make our pillows. So let me know which one of those you would want to see, or if you'd want to see both at some point in the comments below. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the final look of everything all clean and nice.